The Narcotic and the Psychotropic Substance Act and rules thereunder 1985. Contents of the chapter are history, objective of the act, definition related to the act, authorities and the officers, the Narcotic Drugs and the Psychotropic Substance Consultative Committee, prohibition, control and regulation of the act, offences and penalties of the act. History. So the statutory control over narcotic drug was being exercised under the Opium Act 1857, the Opium Act 1878 and the Dangerous Act 1930. India had no legislation regarding narcotics until 1985. Cannabis smoking in India has been known since at least 2000 BC and is first mentioned in the Atharva Veda, which dates back a few hundred years ago. Objectives of the Act: to consolidate and amend the existing law relating to narcotic drug, to make stringent provisions for control and regulation of operations relating to narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, to considerably enhance penalties, particularly for trafficking offences, to make provisions for implementation of the International Convention relating to the narcotic drugs and the psychotropic substance to which India is party. Definitions: cannabis or the hemp, it means the charas, that is the separated resin in whatever form, whether crude or purified, obtained from the cannabis plant, and also includes concentrated preparation and resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Ganja, that is the flowering or the fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seeds and the leaves, when not accompanied by the tops, by whatever name they may be known or designed, designated, and any mixture with or without any neutral material of any of the above forms of cannabis or and drink prepared therefrom. Next definition is about the coca derivatives. So it is a crude cocaine, that is any extract of coca plant which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine, Iguanodine and all derivatives of iguanodine from which it can be recovered, cocaine, that is methyl ester of benzoyl iguanodine and its salts, and all preparations containing more than 0.1% of cocaine. Next definition is about the manufacture. In relation to narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance include all processes other than production by which such drugs or substance may be obtained, refining or transformation of such drugs or substances, making of preparations otherwise than in a pharmacy on prescription with or containing such drugs or substances. Manufactured drugs are all coca derivatives, medicinal cannabis, opium derivatives, and the poppy straw concentrate. Any other narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may, having regards to the available information as to its neutral or to a decision, if any, under any international convention, by notification in the official gazette, declare to be a manufactured drug. Medicinal cannabis, that is the medicinal hemp, means any extract or tincture of cannabis. Narcotic commissioners are the commissioners which are appointed under the section 5. Narcotic drugs means coca leaf, cannabis, opium, poppy straw, and includes all manufactured drugs. Opium means a coagulated juice of opium poppy and any mixture with or without any neutral material of the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. Opium derivatives means medicinal opium, prepared opium, phenanthrine alkaloids such as morphine, codeine, thiamine, and their salts, diacetyl morphine, that is heroin, and its salts, all preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or any amount of diacetyl morphine. Opium poppy means the plant of the species Papaver somniferum and the plant of any other species of papaver from which opium or any phenanthrene alkaloid can be extracted and which the central government may by notification in the official gazette declare to be opium poppy for the purpose of this act. Poppy straw means all parts of opium poppy after harvesting, whether in their original form or cut, crushed or powder, and whether whatever or not juice has been extracted therefrom. Psychotropic substance means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any natural material, or any salt or preparation of such substance or material included in the list of psychotropic substances specified in the schedule. Controlled substances means any substance which the central government may having regards to the available information as to its possible use in the production of manufacture of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances or to the provisions of any international convention by notification in the official gazette declared to be a controlled substance. Illicit traffic in relation to the narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance, it means cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant, cultivating the opium poppy or any cannabis plant, engaging in the production, manufacture, possession, sell, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, user consumption, import interstate, export interstate, import into India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drugs or psychotropic substances. Dealing in any activities in narcotic drugs or psychotropic substance other than those referred to in subclause 1 to 3 or handling or letting out any premises for carrying on of any of the activities referred to in subclause 1 to 4 other than those permitted under this act or any rule or order made or any condition of any license term or authorization issued thereunder and includes financing directly or indirectly any of the mentioned activities, abetting or conspiring in the furtherance of or in support of doing any of the mentioned activities, and harboring persons engaged in any of the mentioned activities. Authorities and officers related to the Act, a central government to take measures for preventing and combating abuse of and illicit traffic in narcotic drugs, etc. Coordination of action by various officers, state government and other authorities under this act or under any other law for time being in force relating to the enforcement of provision of this act, obligations under the international convention, assistance to concerned authorities in foreign countries and concerned international organization regarding prevention and suppression of illicit traffic in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, identification, treatment, education, aftercare, rehabilitation, and social reinteraction of addicts. Such other matters for effective implementation of this act and preventing and combating the abuse of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substance and the illicit traffic therein. Officers of central government. Under the provision of this act, the central government may appoint narcotic commissioner and such other officers as it thinks fit, performs the function relating to the supervision of cultivation of opium poppy, production of opium, other functions as may be entrusted to him, central government, narcotic drug and psychotropic substance consultative committee. The central government may constitute by notification in official gazette an advisory committee to be called the Narcotic Drugs and the Psychotropic Substance Consultative Committee, hereafter in this section referred to as the committee, to advise the central government on such matters relating to the administration of this act as are referred to it by that government from time to time. Prohibition, control, and regulation of the Act. Prohibition of certain operations as per Section 8. No person shall cultivate any coca plant or gather any portion of coca plant, cultivate the opium or any cannabis plant. No person shall produce, manufacture, possess, sell, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import interstate, import into India, export from India, or transship any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance except for medicinal or scientific purposes and in the manner and to extent provided by the provisions of this act or the rules or orders made thereunder. Lastly, the offences and the penalties. So the penalty for all the offences is same, that is for punishment for contravention in relation with poppy straw, in relation with coca plant and leaves, in relation with prepared opium, in relation with opium poppy and opium, and for embezzlement of opium by cultivator, okay, illegal disposal. So the penalty is the rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may be extended to 20 years, with a fine not less than 1 lakh, which may extend to 2 lakhs. And here are the offences related with the punishment for contravention in relation to manufacture, drug, and preparation in relation with psychotropic substances, punishment for illegal import into India, export from India, of narcotic and psychotropic substance, then punishment for external dealing narcotic drug and psychotropic substance in contravention of this provision of this act, then allowing premises to be used for commencement of any offences, then the penalty for all of these offences is the same, that rigorous imprisonment for not less than 10 years, which may extend to 20 years, with a fine not less than 1 lakh, which may extend to 2 lakhs. Thank you.